There are different ways to enter text in your BMW. When you, for example, need to enter a name, like for a driver's profile, you can turn and press the iDrive controller to select letters. You can tilt the iDrive controller down to switch between uppercase and lowercase letters. Tilt the iDrive controller again to select symbols. Or you can select 1 at plus. If you'd rather use the touchscreen, just move your hand from the iDrive controller to the control display. The display automatically changes to keyboard. In order to switch between uppercase and lowercase letters, press the uppercase or lowercase ABC button. To find symbols and digits, press 1 at question mark. It is possible to dictate the input. You can do so by selecting the microphone symbol.
Say something after the tone.
And speaking the desired text input.
Jane Smith.
I've selected Jane Smith.
Note: the voice data entry function is not the same as the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, which is used to control different functions of your vehicle. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.